Igiri-ini riakiria kuhingia kiraniro gia guthondekera mbeu njithi mieke ya mawira, utongoria wa bururi ni atamburukitie njira iria thirikari ibangite gubacirira mbeu njithi kuma ruhonge-ini rwa NYS hoka ni mieke ya mawira. Hindi ya igongona ria 87 ria kuhitukia makurutu ngiri 10 kuma ruhonge-ini rwa NYS mwena wa Girigiri kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, President William RUTO augite hari maabitha aria mariandikagwo ta maabitha a UGITIRI gicunji kia 80 hari igana mariumaga ruhonge-ini ruru.
Wote watakaoajiriwa kwa jeshi la Kenya, kwa polisi wa Kenya, Kenya Forest Service, Kenya Wildlife Service, asilimia 80% watakuwa hawa vijana ambao wamefuzu kutoka National Youth Service.
President augite riri ni itua rikinyanirio ni kanjo ya UGITIRI akihinyiriria mbeu njithi mangiaga gutangikirwo na mieke ya mawira no macangire hanene hari guthingithia muthingi wa bururi.
The county government of Nakuru is working with the State Department of Housing and Vocational Training and agencies such as International Labour Organization, National Industrial Training Authority, and National Construction Authority to train our labor force for certification purposes.
If we carry on with business as usual and neglect the imperative of taking extraordinary measures to transform our economies in order to give millions of young people a better chance to build stronger nations, we will definitely have a serious crisis in our hands.
Hamwe na uguo, President nioritie mbeu njithi aria maretha mieke ya mawira nja wa bururi mamukire mathomo kuma ruhonge-ini rwa NYS akiuga thirikari ya Kenya iri mutaratara-ini wa gwikiranira ngirimiti ya mieke ya mawira na mabururi maiganona arine hamwe na bururi wa Germany na Saudi Arabia.
We have agreed with the State Department for Labor that we are going to have 50% of everybody going to work out there coming from the job and the labor provider number one, which is the National Youth Service.
Concluding negotiations with Saudi Arabia, we are concluding negotiations with another 8 countries on export of labor. And the National Youth Service is going to be the central organization for pre-deployment training so that Kenyans understand what they need to do when they go out.
Minister wa uruti wira wa muingi Moses Kuria nyerega kwanirira aria mariandikagwo thirikari-ini ni maribataraga certificate kuma ruhonge-ini rwa NYS kuria kiuga makurutu matanyihire 40 ni monete mieke ya mawira bururi-ini wa UK.
Look forward to working with all state departments to ensure that the first provider of labor of choice is the National Youth Service.
Ihinda-ini o riu RUTO ni ataririe mubango wa thirikari wa kwamukagira mbeu njithi 100,000 o mwaka kwa ihinda ria miaka 5 yukite ikinya riri rikirongoreria gutigirira ruhonge ruru ni rwarehera bururi umithio wa kibesha.
Position it on the path of financial sustainability through revenue generation, thereby creating the conditions to support the expansion of enrollment to 100,000 young people annually in the next 5 years.